morning, children. So let's start a new lesson, bar graph. Okay, so if you remember in the previous class, you have learned bar graph, pictograph. Okay, so let's start with the pictograph. So what is pictograph? It is so representation of data through pictures are known as pictograph. So see. Okay, so through the pictograph, we can represent our data. For example, see children. Say here, different type of vehicles are given. Okay, so bicycle, number of bicycles. Bicycles are 30. Motorcycle. Number of motorcycles. 25. Auto rickshaw. Is 1. The car. The car is 15. Okay, so you have to show this data using pictograph. Okay, so we will try to represent. Okay, so it is very difficult to draw a bicycle, motorcycle, and two-wheeler car. So I am taking a symbol. Circle for bicycle, triangles for motorcycle, rectangles for auto rickshaw, and I am taking squares for. Actually, here the pictures are drawn, but it is very difficult to draw motorcycle, bullock cart. So you can take any figure or any shape to represent these objects. Okay. So type of vehicle. Picture, or you can say vehicles. Okay, and here number. So see children. Okay, so instead of drawing 30 bicycles means 30 circles, 25 triangles, 5 rectangles, and so here we can take a scale for this Okay. So here I am taking. So only by this. Okay. So it's scale. Now 30, 25, 5 and 15. What is the common number of this 30, 25, 5 and 15? Or you can say, what is the HCF of these numbers? Yes, 5 is the common divisor of this. So HCF is 5. So here I am taking one circle represent one circle equals to 5 vehicle. But it is not 10. It is, or I can write 1. It looks 1 circle equals to 5 vehicles. Okay. First bicycle. Right. See. And the number of bicycles is 30. And one circle equals to 5. So if you divide this 30 by 5, what you get? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I draw 6 circles for bicycle. So how many total number of bicycles are here? One circle is equal to 5. So 6 equals to 5, 6 is 30. Motorcycle. Motorcycles are there. Okay. And one circle represents 5. So how many circles I have to draw here? 5 5s are 30. Or you can divide 25 by 5. What you get? 5. So 1, it is what better? 25. Now another is auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw, number of auto rickshaws are 5 and one circle represents 5. So how many circles you have to draw here? Only one, because one represents 5. Bullock cart. Total number of bullock carts are 15. One circle represents 5. So 15 divided by 5 makes 3. So for bullock cart, you have to draw 3 circles. Okay. So it is the pictorial representation of data of vehicles. Got it, children? And this method is known as pictographs. Here we have represent our data, our information through the pictures. Got it, children? So let's see the another question. Okay, and it is very important. You have to write the scale. Okay, without scale, your pictograph is incomplete. Okay, so by seeing the scale, we can understood 1 equals to how many? 1 circle equals to 5 meters. Here one question is given. A survey was carried out in a certain school to find about different modes of transport used by the students. Different modes of the transport used by the student. And the question is given. See, I am writing question here. Mode of transport number of students. Walking. Okay, so I'm writing vertically so that the question will be right correctly. Mode of transport and here number of students. So by walking, students are come, and by cycle 36 students comes, scooter 24, school bus 60 students refer school bus to come to school, and by car 12 students are come. So using this information or using this data, you have to represent by pictogram. So let's see what the first given. It is a question. Okay. It is the mode of transport and number of students. Okay. Now see, as I told you, first you have to write the scale of the given. See, now observe the numbers 48, 36, 24, 60 and 12. What is the axiom of this number? Means the common number or common divisor of these numbers is 12. Okay. So here I am writing scale. It is very important to write the scale. So without the scale, your pictograph is incomplete. Okay. Here I am for student. I am taking this symbol. So one symbol equals to what is SCF of this? 12. Means 12 students represented by this one. Now you have the mode of transport. Walking. So how many students come by walk is 48. 48 divided by 12. Why? Because one symbol represents 12. So for 48, how many symbols you have to draw? So we will divide this 48 by 12. Yes. So how many? 4. Okay. Then cycle. 36 students comes by cycle. 36 divided by 12. 3. Scooter. So there are 24 students. They come by scooter. So 24 divided by 12. 2. School bus. So how many students wait for school bus to come? 60. 60 divided by 12 means you have to draw 5 symbols to represent 60 and each symbol represents 12 students. And car. So 12 students come by car. Okay, 12 and 12 represent one symbol. So for car, draw only the one symbol. Okay, so it is the question it is given, and here you have to represent using pictograph. So like this, it is the representation of this given information by pictograph. Got it, children? So it is what, beta? It is one of the way to represent our data through pictograph. Okay. So here we will stop, children. Bye bye, beta.